Hi, good morning. Mixed omelette, please. Mixed. Thank you. Thank you. This is the good, you know. Going to see Parrots for the last time. Oh God. I go miss them, yes. It's a few hours before we flight. And I'm going to say bye. Are you that tree looking like a zabuka or mango tree? Because I'm watching that this whole time, you know. Let me know. Oh, it's neither. Looks more like a zabuka. What do you think? We've been here for 2.5 weeks. The first 9 days, my aunt and my cousin joined us from Russia. It was so nice all year. So wholesome. My mom went to the beach for half an hour. And I'm going to see my bird friends for half an hour. And there's that. Hello, hello. Look who came for me already. Eh? How you doing? I come with knife and all, you know. My last apple to feed, yes. And banana. They're getting a banana too. The macaw, he love banana. Well done. What's your banana? Huh? You want the apple? You're not easy at all, huh? You want the apple, huh? What's the apple? Yeah, you want the apple now, huh? No, you drop it. Hold the apple. You holding it? Right. Look, my budgie friend. Come, budgie, come, come. Come, eat some apple. That one jelly. Are you jealous? So I give you apple over there. Watch. Parrots are so jealous, huh, of each other. Come, stick your head through. Ah, ah. Right. Lovebirds getting some apple too. Come, lovebirds. Look, the first brave one. I know you love apple. One thing, everybody love apple. Last bunny visit. Come. I hate saying goodbyes. But oh yeah, you want to see the most curry duck I see? Watch. Watch how cute the ducklings. New generation of curry duck. How cute. So,